Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can play your presentation or a Canva exported presentation in a loop. Alright, so this is the presentation that I want to export from Canva. So first of all, let's animate this one to create animation. Alright, let's animate this one as well. After animating all the pages, alright, so this is the presentation that I want, and I will export it now. Alright, so let's export this presentation from Canva. Now, let's download it. Make sure you download your presentation in video format MP4, right? Okay, let's download it and wait for a few seconds while the video of the presentation is exporting. Alright, it's downloaded, so just open it here and right now it's playing. Alright, now comes the step of looping your presentation. Loop playing means the video will repeat automatically without any manual action. It will play on its own. This is very helpful for those who want their presentations to play continuously for customers or clients, or if you're in a restaurant. This looping video feature will help play your video repeatedly and automatically. Okay, this is the video, and if you double-click, then it will enable looping. Alright, let's take an example. Replay, and it will auto-replay. See, it's playing automatically. Let's check again, and you can see it's playing on its own without me doing anything. It's running automatically. So that's how you can create a looping video of your Canva presentation. This will be helpful for anyone who wants their video to run 24/7 in their restaurant, building, or anywhere else they want to play it. So yeah, that's the simple way you can loop your video to play automatically without manual operation. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll be bringing more helpful videos for you in the future. I'll see you in the next video.